my name is Nina Huberix and I'm a Customer Experience Specialist at Sherpany. If you've ever organized a meeting in Sherpany, you've undoubtedly run across this headache. There are 8 different people from the COO to the CFO that need to hand in their reports to you. So you send each of them a personal email asking for their reports so that the rest of the attendees can prepare for the meeting. Over the next few days, you receive emails with the documents, but also emails with no documents, or in the wrong file format, or even no emails at all. Basically, it's kind of a mess and it requires a lot of effort on your end. At Sherpany, we listened to this feedback and created the Contributor function, where we solve this problem and let you work more efficiently. Let's see how it works. Here we are in the agenda editing mode. I move over to the agenda item details window. Click on the Contributors field, enter the email address of the contributor, and hit Add. I've added the contributor to the contributor list. Click on Request, add an optional message, and once you click on Request again, the contributor will receive the request to add his or her documents. Here's the email that the contributor receives. As you can see, they only need to open the link and drag and drop the report, and it's done. Back in your editor view, you'll see that the person has uploaded the file. As you're used to, you may rename the file and set who can see it once the agenda is published. There you have it. It's as easy as request, wait, publish. The contributor function will help keep your inbox less cluttered.